All right, here we come to the elevators at the Connally building, Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. Look at that big sign right there. Wow, this is beautiful. And we got some 1991 Dover Traflomatic 4 elevators. And they're scenic too. Wow, this is gonna be great. Oh, I love this panel design. 7. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Found one. Big thanks to that nice staff member for allowing us in here. Phone. Wow. This is beautiful. All right, we're gonna send this up and we'll capture another car. This is beyond awesome. These are beautiful elevators. There's your big Texas A&M sign right there. Wow. Now we got the right car. Let's get a ride on this one. 7. Seems kind of noisy. These are a lot faster than the one in the Richardson Petroleum Engineering building. We're going to try to capture the middle car. This is down to the elevator shaft. Here's the... I'm not sure if the middle car's working, but this thing is beautiful. This thing's noisy. They need to grease up the guide rail. Oh, looks like we got the middle car. Let's send this one up and wait. Hello, sir? Just missed that indicator. Here's the middle car. Oh, look who's in the elevator.
Yeah, hi.
James.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go up to 7. Wow.
Yeah.
The indicator barely even works.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah.
What do you think of this, James?
Yeah, these are nice.
They are. Now go ahead and send it down to the bottom floor.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, what is this? Is that like a keypad or something?
Yeah.
I've never seen that before.
Mm-hmm.
Those are like computer keyboards. I've never seen that before, but I don't want to mess with it, honestly. Wow, this is fast.
Yeah.
I'll go for one more ride.
Yeah.
Wow, this is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. How many rides did you take, James?
Quite a few already.
You going down? Oh, we're
just
interested in the elevators.
Well, We just don't like them to be overused.
Okay.
So I didn't know if you were looking for someone specific, but I know that's like the third time you've been up, and I just wanted to make sure I could help you if you needed
Yeah,
help.
no, we're fine.
We're just recording the elevator. I have a big elevator hobby. We're just visiting. That's all.
Yeah.
I see. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, thank
All right. Thank you so ever much.
Yeah, are you gonna go ahead and get off then once you get down at the
Or
bottom?
that's what
Yeah,
we're
that's
fixing
what
to
we're
do.
doing.
I think I already had enough ride on this thing.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
All right. No worries. Have a great day.
You too.
Wasn't that a nice lady?
Mm-hmm.
I think we're gonna get off afterwards.
Yeah.
All right. I think I'm gonna call it here now.
Yeah.
Well, that is a beautiful elevator.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.